What's the meaning of continuous? Continuous. Continuous.
Continuous. Continuous. Continuous refers to something that is ongoing, uninterrupted, or without interruption. It can also imply a sense of coherence or unbroken sequence. In a mathematical or scientific context, continuous may refer to a quantity or function that can take on any value within a certain range or interval. In a practical sense, continuous improvement is an approach to process management that focuses on making incremental improvements to systems and processes over time. Overall, the term continuous implies a sense of consistency, regularity, and ongoing progress towards a particular goal.